Core system libraries failing because of the AC Monitor Module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we get into the manual guide for AC Monitor Module, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the AC Monitor Module. This library is part of ASUS Splendid video enhancement technology, found on many ASUS laptops and monitors. It manages proprietary display enhancements such as color profiles, gamma adjustments, and dynamic brightness tuning layered on top of the standard Windows display pipeline. After major Windows updates or partial OEM utility removals, systems may generate startup errors like Acmon.dll is missing when residual startup hooks attempt to call the missing enhancement module. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The AC Monitor Module DLL library is a critical dependency of the ASUS Splendid framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including AC Monitor Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Manual intervention with AC Monitor Module DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines AC Monitor Module optimization concepts. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing AC Monitor Module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.